Our dealer startup profit and compliance training will take your income to a whole new level. Hello everyone, I'm Dallas Johnson. I'm the lead instructor with the Automobile Dealer Training Association, and I will be personally giving you your training course. I want to take you through the steps that are necessary to obtain your dealer's license. I'm going to show you how to get into dealer auctions. I'm going to show you how to buy at dealer auctions. We're going to discuss proven negotiation techniques you can use with your customers. We'll go over dealer surety bonds and dealer insurance. We even have a portion of the training that shows you how you can easily make $319,000 a year with a dealer's license. I have trained over 10,000 entrepreneurs just like you in a classroom environment all over the United States, helping them reach a new level of prosperity. I've helped financially secure persons reach a new level of wealth, and I've helped persons that live in the worst neighborhoods in the United States rise up and achieve financial freedom with a dealer's license. We have charged as much as $499 a person for our in-class training that I instruct, and you are basically receiving the same exact training at a greatly reduced price from the comfort of your computer or your phone. Your training also includes the 134-page Automobile Dealer Training Association Dealer Startup Profit and Compliance Manual, and this training course is not available anywhere else. Please click on the reviews button at the top of the page to see what other persons are saying about our Dealer Profit and Compliance course. You can also just let this video play, and you'll be able to watch the first section of the course for free before you decide to invest in your future. Thank you very much for considering the Automobile Dealer Training Association as your dealer license training partner. Clicking on that blue sign up button below is your first step into this incredible business, or just let this video play and watch the first dealer training course section for free. Let's take a break from compliance for just a moment, and let's delve into some profit strategies that you can implement once you have received your dealer's license. Let's first talk about dealer aftermarket products. First, normally the majority of your profits are going to be coming from the markup of your vehicle. So let's say you're using your dealer's license to go into dealer auctions, and let's say you buy a car at the dealer auction for $2,000 and you sell it on the lot for $4,995. And this is, by the way, a very realistic markup. So you just made a nearly $3,000 profit on the markup of the vehicle. But you can also add several aftermarket products that can substantially increase your profits on the sale of every vehicle. There are many ways to supplement the income of your dealership. You can offer a very large variety of dealer aftermarket products that will benefit your customers and also add to your profits. After you come to an agreed selling price with that vehicle, your work has really just begun. You should try to increase your profit margin on each vehicle by offering your customers maybe dealer warranties or upholstery protection, vehicle deliveries, or many other dealer aftermarket products, many of which will add substantial value to the customer's vehicle after the purchase and increase your profits dramatically. These products I'm getting ready to show you are for reference only. You should definitely check with your state to see if these products are allowed in your state or not. State laws do vary greatly from state to state when it comes to dealer aftermarket products. So you want to ensure that you are operating within compliance in whatever state that you operate your dealership in. You know, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you contact information for every dealer licensing authority in the United States so you can contact them directly. First, let's talk about dealer warranties. You can make a great additional income on each vehicle you sell by offering your customers a dealer warranty. Dealer warranties also give your customers additional peace of mind knowing they won't face unexpected repair bills. Many companies can offer outside mechanical warranties on the vehicles you sell. So if you sell an outside mechanical warranty, all warranty work will take place at a repair shop outside the dealership at another location. But what you can also do is offer what's called an in-house warranty. You know, if a customer buys an in-house warranty, the customer can bring that vehicle back to your dealership and have the repairs done at your repair shop if you do have a repair shop and a mechanical ability. You might think that dealer warranties sound risky, but the warranties you offer can provide excellent profit margins while also protecting your customer's investment in the vehicle. You know, all large companies like Walmart, Best Buy, Target, they all sell warranties on basically everything they sell. And they're all doing this for a reason. Service warranties are very profitable, and they're also offering the customer protection after the purchase. You know, you could charge on an in-house warranty, you could charge a customer anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500 or more, depending on the length of the warranty and the mechanical failures that it covers. The chance of a major mechanical malfunction for most vehicles can be actually quite rare. If the customer has no problems with the vehicle, then you may have just made an extra $2,000 to $3,000 profit or more on that vehicle. If the vehicle does have a problem, then your customer is going to benefit from the warranted repair work that you provide and will normally face no out-of-pocket expenses. Dealer warranties can offer your dealership great profit potential in addition to your normal vehicle markup. Be sure your dealer warranty clearly states what type of mechanical issues are covered and for how long. Most dealers that sell in-house warranties are usually just selling them on vehicles less than 5 years old with like less than 100,000 miles. If you ever want to find dealer warranty providers, it's pretty easy. You can just go to Google there and type in dealer warranty providers, and you're going to see several out-of-house warranty providers that can certainly get you taken care of. Or if you want to have that in-house warranty where you or a mechanic is going to take care of the repairs, you should definitely have an attorney draw you up that contract. But here are some more aftermarket products. Upholstery protection is something to look at. You can make additional income by providing upholstery protection on the vehicles you sell. After the sale, you can charge your customers from like $200 to $500 for upholstery protection. Before the customer takes possession of the vehicle they just purchased from you, you can take it into your service area, spray a chemical upholstery protection agent all over the upholstery, and you may be able to purchase a large can of commercial upholstery protection for like under $50. So this service you provide your customer protects your customer's interior and does add value to the vehicle. It has a great profit markup, and it can really add large numbers to your bottom line. You might even look into rust protection. Rust protection, like upholstery protection, can be very profitable for your dealership. You can purchase a commercial rust protection chemical designed just for dealers that you can spray on the frame of the vehicle to prevent future rust. You can find commercial dealer rust protection in a container for probably less than $100, and you can charge your customer anywhere from $200 to $500 for this service. Many lending companies allow these aftermarket fees to be applied straight into the loan. So your customer is really facing no out-of-pocket expenses at the time of the transaction if you do apply these right into the loan. So definitely check with your bank or your third-party lender. Rust protection is a great selling tool to your customer since it will add value to the vehicle if your customer decides to resell the vehicle as well. Be sure to disclose all fees in writing to make sure your customer is aware of any aftermarket charges before the sale. And also be sure to make sure your state does allow rust protection, because there are some states now that strictly prohibit the marketing of rust protection. We can also look at additional profits in delivery charges. Don't rule out delivery of your vehicles to increase your profits. If you sell a car, maybe on eBay, Craigslist, or on your own website, you can actually add several hundreds of dollars to your profit by basically figuring out what it would cost in gas and then adding a few $100s to the price. Maybe you can charge a local delivery fee of $50 to $75, and or maybe if you just want to incentivize a customer, you could always offer free delivery as an extra buying incentive. Vehicle preparation fees. Many dealers include dealer preparation fees on their invoice, and you may be able to charge the customer for the basic cleaning and repairs that it costs you to prepare the vehicle for sale. If your customer does not want to pay these fees, well then that's going to be up to them. But be sure to disclose all charges thoroughly to your customer in writing, and always be sure to contact your state dealer license agency to make sure vehicle preparation fees are allowed in your state. I tell you something that can really add great profits to the sale of every vehicle are going to be either document preparations, or sometimes they're called document processing fees. Some states call them documentary fees. Many dealers make extra profits by adding document preparation or processing fees to every single transaction. A document preparation fee is charged to the customer for completing titles, title applications, loan applications, preparing documents. Maybe you're required to file a state sales tax report or something like that. Documents that must be completed as per your state dealer license bureau requirements can be quite extensive and very time-consuming. Document preparation fees can add substantial amounts to your bottom line. Many dealers charge $50 all the way up to $350 or more for document preparation fees. As I said, they can add substantial profits to your bottom line. Although you should always shoot for a $2,000 or $3,000 profit on the markup of every sale, on some occasions, you might be able to only net about $500 or $600 in the profit. Very rare, but that can happen. On a profit this small, a $250 document preparation fee would definitely make a difference in your profits. Although document preparation fees can add handsomely to your bottom line, these charges often lead to questions from the purchaser. Okay, so there are customers that will question about that. You're usually not allowed to say that it's a government fee, okay? But one thing I want you to be aware, and I've read court cases about this. I've seen court cases where a document fee charging dealer will charge one customer a document fee, they'll charge the next customer a document fee, and then the third customer says they're not going to pay it. Well, states normally don't allow you to waive that fee if you are charging it. And by the way, if you charge the first two customers document fees and waive it for the third, well, you charge additional fees to those previous customers, and that could actually give them legal recourse against you. So you'll need to check with your dealer license bureau in your state to make sure that it is legal for document fees or documentary fees. And, if it is, then you want to make sure that you charge that identical fee to every single customer that walks in the door. Some states strictly forbid any type of document preparation fees, only a couple, but there are a couple there. And so do please keep that in mind. Your state might even allow you to charge what's called loan points, okay? Some banks or third-party lenders will allow you to add points to every vehicle loan that you originate, and each point usually equals 1% of the loan balance. If you add 4 points to a $10,000 loan, then your profit could be an additional $400 just on that one vehicle. So, call your bank or, notify your third-party lender to see if they're going to allow your dealership to add any loan origination points. If they don't allow points, many banks and third-party lenders will actually pay you a percentage of each vehicle loan that you originate. So you definitely want to call around as many lending institutes or third-party financiers as you can to find the best loan origination package for your dealership, and always make sure that this is legal in your state as well. Now, one thing I want you to be aware of. I have been asked many times in many of my courses if this is ethical. You need to decide whether or not you're going to be doing these aftermarket fees. Well, the way I look at it, you're definitely getting a dealer's license to ensure that you're going to make as much money as you possibly can. So the way I look at it, we definitely should try and make as much profit on every single vehicle, because that's why you're getting your dealer's license. And also, although we're shooting for that $2,000 to $3,000 markup on every single vehicle, those additional document fees and vehicle preparation fees can certainly add substantial profits. So let's just say you're charging a $200 document fee on every single transaction, and you're selling 20 or 30 vehicles a month. You will definitely see that add up on your profits. So you will need to definitely decide whether you're going to be, say, for example, a document fee charging dealer or a non-document fee charging dealer. And you definitely want to make sure that all of this is legal. Here are the dealer license regulatory bureaus in each state. And you'll also see those in the manual that you'll be downloading. Here you see Alabama through Maine with their phone numbers. Here you see Maryland through South Dakota with their phone numbers. And then finally, you'll see Tennessee through Wyoming. So all these contact offices and phone numbers are listed in the back of the dealer manual that you'll be downloading here in just a few moments. So thank you very much for watching this dealer training video. If you decide to invest in the rest of your training, just click on the blue download training button that is located on every page of the dealertraining.org website. Once again, that's the dealertraining.org website. Click on the blue download training button, and your investment will include extensive training that covers sales and profit strategies. I'm going to show you how to make $319,000 a year with a dealer's license. I'm going to show you proven negotiation techniques and how to obtain a floor plan. That's a loan for your inventory. Buying vehicles with lost titles. Buy here, pay here financing. We're going to cover third-party dealer financing. You're going to have extensive dealer auction training. We're going to cover federal laws. I'm going to show you how to buy the cheapest dealer surety bonds and how to buy the cheapest dealer insurance. I'm also going to show you how to apply for a free employment identification number. Many companies charge you for that. I'm going to show you how to get your federal employment identification number for free. I'll also show you how to run an online web-based dealership. So your training includes an entire section on how to run a dealership completely online legally with no face-to-face interaction with customers ever, and much, much more. Your training also includes your 134-page Automobile Dealer Training Association Dealer Startup Profit and Compliance Manual with all the course content in a downloadable book that includes a list of every dealer auction in the country. Be sure to read our reviews to find out what other persons are saying about the dealer license training course. What are you waiting for? When you're ready to change your life and enter the world's greatest business, just click on the blue download training button on dealertraining.org. Now go for it. Thank you very much.